The acceleration which is rolling down the inclined plane is going to be equal to mg sine theta divided by m plus I divided by r square, and this is the proof. This is the proof. Okay, so acceleration is mg sine theta divided by m plus I by r square. So mg sine theta, friction. Okay, so the entire thing acts, and we have acceleration should be equal to r alpha, so that's why we do this proof. Okay, now for a solid sphere without slipping and slipping down the incline without rolling. So this is with rolling. Okay, and without rolling. Okay, slipping down the incline without rolling. So slipping down, it's g sine theta. Okay, so let us find out the acceleration ratios. So therefore this is going to be mg sine theta divided by m plus I. It's a solid sphere, so therefore 2 by 5 m r square divided by r square divided by g sine theta. Gone. So this is equal to m r square. This is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 2 by 5, which is equal to 5 divided by 7. So therefore the answer is A.